It's Adiu's time again, and today, we have a fascinating topic for you, agentic AI. You may have heard about it. You may not have, but let me tell you, it's something you should definitely know about. And we're here to break it down for you in under 6 minutes. So let's dive right in. But before we do, remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest AI updates. So what is agentic AI? In essence, it's a way to make a more independent and proactive instead of just reactive. Imagine a computer program that doesn't just follow instructions, but can set its own goals, make decisions, and take actions to achieve those goals. That's what agentic AI is all about. Let's take a step back and look at some examples to better understand this concept. Traditional AI systems are often designed to perform a single task. For instance, you have voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They're great at understanding and responding to your commands. Then there's image recognition AI. It's fantastic at identifying objects or patterns in images. Now, these systems work well when they receive clear, well-defined instructions. But what happens when faced with tasks that are more complex, ambiguous, or even evolving? This is where agentic AI shines. Think of a chess engine. It's a traditional AI designed to analyze positions on a chessboard and determine the best move, but an agent-based AI system would go beyond that. It would set its own goals, strategize, adapt to its opponent's moves, and even learn from its past games to improve its performance. Essentially, it would act as if it were a real chess player, capable of independent thought and action. Another illustration could be in the field of finance. A simple AI system would flag unusual transactions based on predefined rules. However, an agentic AI system would go a step further. It would analyze market data, assess risks, develop strategies, and even execute trades autonomously. It would essentially function as a digital investment advisor or trader, capable of making independent judgments based on a set of financial goals. Okay, let's simplify this a bit more. We talked about goal setting. How does agentic AI achieve that? Well, let's break it down. First off, defining goals is key. Imagine you're planning a trip. An agentic AI system would first need to understand your preferences, budget, and desired destinations. It's like asking, where do you want to go? Then it would gather data on flight prices, accommodation availability, and local weather. Think of this as researching your options. The AI would analyze this data, taking into account your preferences and budget to suggest potential itineraries. This is similar to how an AI system recommends products based on your shopping patterns. Finally, the AI would select the most suitable itinerary, book flights and accommodation, and create a detailed travel plan. All of this happens automatically based on your initial input and the AI's analysis. So the entire process of trip planning is streamlined thanks to an agentic AI, freeing up your time for other things. Now let's talk about decision making. An agentic AI system uses various algorithms and techniques to make decisions. One common approach is using reinforcement learning. Remember the chess engine example we mentioned earlier? It uses a technique called minimax, which involves simulating possible future scenarios to predict the best move. Another technique used in decision-making is the use of utility functions. These functions assign a value or score to different decisions based on a set of predefined criteria. For example, in the finance domain, a utility function for an autonomous trader might assign higher scores to decisions that result in higher profits with lower risks. By using these functions, agentic AI can select decisions that maximize the desired outcome. Finally, let's discuss actions. Once a decision is made, an agentic AI system must take actions to implement it. For instance, after an autonomous trader makes a trade, it needs to execute the trade on the market. To do this, it interacts with the environment through a set of defined interfaces or APIs. After executing the action, the AI receives feedback from the environment, such as the actual profit made on the trade. This feedback is then used to evaluate the success of the action and refine future decisions. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some real-world applications of agentic AI in the business world. Agentic AI can revolutionize how companies operate. Consider supply chain management. An agentic AI system should monitor inventory levels, anticipate demand fluctuations, and optimize delivery routes autonomously. This can lead to significant cost savings and increased efficiency. Healthcare is another sector where agentic AI can make a big impact. Imagine an AI system that helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. By analyzing patient data, medical literature, and real-time test results, an agentic AI system could assist in making informed treatment decisions. It could also develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique circumstances. The finance industry is already leveraging agentic AI for various tasks, including algorithmic trading, risk management, and fraud detection. An agent-based AI system can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and make investment decisions much faster than humans, potentially leading to higher returns. Alright, now that we've seen how it works and where it's applied, let's talk about the benefits of agentic AI. First, we have autonomy. This is the ability of an AI system to operate independently without direct human intervention. For example, an autonomous vehicle can navigate roads, make decisions, and avoid obstacles without the need for constant human input. Second, there's adaptability. An agent-based AI system can learn from new data and adjust its behavior accordingly. For instance, a smart thermostat can learn your temperature preferences and automatically adjust the temperature throughout the day. Third, we have scalability. An agentic AI system can handle a large number of tasks or users concurrently. For example, a chatbot can engage in multiple conversations simultaneously without getting overwhelmed. Fourth, there's efficiency. An AI YUMP2 can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans in many cases. For example, an AI system can process loan applications much faster than a bank teller. Lastly, we have the ability to handle complex tasks. An agentic AI system can tackle tasks that require multiple steps or decisions. For example, an AI system can autonomously plan and execute a marketing campaign across various channels. Of course, with great benefits come challenges. There are several technical challenges associated with implementing an agentic AI system. One major challenge is ensuring that the AI system remains safe and reliable. For example, you wouldn't want an autonomous vehicle to malfunction and cause an accident. Therefore, developers must thoroughly test and validate agent-based AI systems to ensure they behave as intended. Another challenge is the need for massive amounts of data and computing power. Agent-based AI systems often require vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions effectively. Additionally, the computations involved in running these systems can be intensive, demanding significant processing power and memory resources. Apart from technical challenges, there are also ethical considerations. For example, how do you ensure that an agentic AI system doesn't discriminate against certain groups of people? Or how do you prevent it from perpetuating existing biases in society? These are important questions that need to be addressed as we develop and deploy these systems in the real world. In the end, agentic AI holds immense potential to transform numerous industries and aspects of our lives. From optimizing business processes to improving healthcare outcomes, the applications are vast and varied. As this technology continues to evolve, it'll be crucial for developers and policymakers to address the associated challenges and ethical considerations. By doing so, we can harness the power of agentic AI to create a better, more efficient, and more equitable world. And that's a wrap for today's AI news. We hope you found this breakdown of agentic AI informative. Remember, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with this technology. As agentic AI continues to develop, we'll be here to keep you in the loop. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one.